Hey friends, hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. Today we can see that the Stellar is almost at 19 cents. And first of all, let me to give you some recap that previously I've been following this pattern that the price action of Stellar was moving recently at the bottom or at the support of this rising wedge pattern. I told you depend on some indicators and signals that I have been sharing in my previous videos with you guys that it will spike at least up to 20 cents. And after playing this chart, we can see that it has spiked even more than 23 cents. So far, it has spiked almost more than 180% rally so far. Now, we already have the closing above this resistance of this rising wedge pattern. But before that, a very important move that I want to share with you guys. And I've been sharing this move since April 2019 with you guys. And this was the chart. Even I shared on September 2019 when the price action of Stellar completed this bullish bad pattern. And I told you that this will be, and this can be a repetitive move like it did back in 2017. And this was the potential reversal zone of this bullish bad pattern, and it entered in this potential reversal zone. At that time, it was almost at 6 cents, and I told you that it will be rallied up to this level at least. So we can see that after playing this chart, that so far it has spiked up to this potential reversal zone, and it has produced more than 250% rally so far. Now, if we take a look on the live chart, this is live daily chart, then we have a very good support of 14 cents. Before that, it was working as a very strong resistance. You can see the price action was rejected here and here. And finally, it has broken out this level. And at same level at 14 cents, we also have this previous resistance of this rising wedge pattern. For example, if I'll extend this line up to this level, if the price action will move more down to retest the previous resistance as a support, then we can expect that it will retest it almost at 14 cents. So we have very strong supports, like we have the previous resistance of this rising wedge pattern as a support. Now we have the 14 cents price level resistance here that is all now working as a support. But this is a very strong resistance. The 20 cent resistance is very strong, like the $20,000 resistance is working for the Bitcoin. Same as like that, the 20 cent resistance is working as a very strong resistance for the XLM. Now we need the closing above the 20 cent on the weekly chart if we need the price action to move more up. If it will be closed on the weekly chart above this 20 cent, then after retesting this 20 cent, it may move up to 30 cents. Now I want to share with you again a repetitive move that the price action is likely to move. For example, if we move back here in 2017, the price action formed this bad pattern. I'm just ignoring some extra spikes and entered here in the potential reversal zone. The bad patterns potential reversal zone is and it ends up to 0.886 Fibonacci retracement level, and we can see that it was retraced up to 0.852, and after that it was rallied. That was almost 4,000% powerful bullish rally. And after this rally, the price action of Stellar again on this weekly chart formed another bullish garlic pattern. And after formation of this garlic pattern, when it was entered in this potential reversal zone that starts from 0.618 and ends up to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, we can see that it was retraced up to 0.683 Fibonacci retracement, and it rallied more than 200%, and after that it was dropped. So it entered after this rally. If I place this Fibonacci tool here, we can see that it spiked more than 0.38 to even more than 0.50 Fibonacci projection. So this time I was also expecting that it will be projected between 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection, and it has projected so far. It has produced more than 250% rally. But this is the bad pattern, and this is a kind of repetitive move that the price action of Stellar is making, like it did back in 2017. So that was the movement on the weekly chart that we have just witnessed here. You can see that this previous bad pattern was, and the Gartley pattern as well, was on the weekly chart. But this time, this bullish bad pattern, it is formed on the monthly chart that is far more bigger than the previous move. For example, let me just show you on the live chart. If we switch it on the monthly chart, then we can see that this is a very big bullish bad pattern. This is the initial leg, and after that, it is retraced between 0.382 to 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. I'm just ignoring some extra spikes here, and projected between 0.886 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection, and retraced again 0.786 to 0.886 Fibonacci retracement level, and now it is moving up again. And if we watch the volume on the weekly chart, here I have placed the volume as well, and we can see that before this previous move that was more than 4,000% rally, there was a big volume, and this was a really big, powerful, big volume spike. Now, if we take a look at the previous week's spike of the volume, then it is likely to be bigger than the previous volume. That this is quite small as compared to this volume. So once we will have the this resistance, the 20 cents resistance will be broken out, then we can expect that this rally will be continued on the long term. After this 20 cent on the weekly chart, there will be more resistance level on the daily chart and maybe on the hourly chart as well. But I am talking on the long perspective, and on the weekly chart we have the next resistance on the 30 cents. So once we will have the closing above 20 cents, a very rapid move up to 30 cents can be expected. And after that, we have this key level resistance, the 45 cents. Because why I'm calling it as a key level, because here we have the previous highest resistance level as per Kraken exchange. Once it will be broken out, then the price action of Stellar can break all previous records, and maybe it will move 4,000% or maybe 10,000%, whatever, but it can break the previous all records. So at this time, we have a very strong resistance of 20 cents, and I'm just waiting for the breakout from this resistance. Once it will be broken out, then we can expect a rapid move up to 30 cents. Before that, we can expect maybe the price action will retest this 14 cents resistance, because it was also a very powerful resistance, and it has been working as a resistance for a very long time period. So therefore, there are chances that the price action may retest, and after that, it will start the next rally. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video and you have been following my ideas of XLM since I'm posting since 2019. So do share my videos as well, and take care. Goodbye.